Okay, y'all. We gonna try it again. Measuring for the future roundhouse just to see how big it'll be. Just a tiny house, y'all. 2 meters estimate.
Yeah. So this is 2 meters, right?
Okay.
Now we go.
Okay. Yep. It looks like a pretty decent sized house. Yeah. Yeah.
You see? So this is the 2 meters.
Yeah, 2 meters is good.
It's good, yeah? Right. So when you have this like this here, this can be the bed.
Yeah.
On this side, or to move a bit.
Yeah.
You have a table and this.
Yeah.
Put some of your stuff.
Yeah, the clothes.
Yeah. So
Clothes hanger.
Yeah.
Bookcase, stuff like that.
Yeah.
Good.